Here's a great way to capture high-quality video of your epic rides and off-road adventures. The Harley-Davidson Audio 50C Bluetooth headset combines a built-in camera with all the features of Harley-Davidson's flagship wireless headset. Now you can record sharp 4K video or 12-megapixel still images while you ride, without mounting and managing a separate camera on your bike or helmet. The unit is designed for ease of operation while riding and quick downloads after the ride. The Harley-Davidson Audio 50C Bluetooth headset is designed to simplify wireless communication and deliver outstanding audio performance. Let's take a look at some of the other features of this premium headset. Crystal clear sound quality is a key feature of a great motorcycle headset, which is why we've equipped this 50C Bluetooth headset with Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 1 speakers that deliver the ultimate in motorcycle audio performance, with rich bass and clarity at any volume. The 50C headset comes with 2 modules and offers an exceptional integrated experience when paired to your bike's 6.5 boombox or boombox GTS infotainment system via the plug-and-play wireless headset interface module, which we call WIM, and is sold separately. After installing the WIM on your bike, you can establish a wireless connection with the 50C headset and enjoy full stereo audio. You can use the bike's infotainment touchscreen to configure select headset features and use the existing hand controls to move effortlessly through music, phone, GPS, and push-to-talk intercom conversations. The 50C headset is also compatible with Apple's Siri or Android's Google Assistant through a boombox GTS radio. With voice-activated digital assistant access, just say, "Hey Google" or "Hey Siri" to activate either assistant. Without installing the WIM, you still can control your 50C headset through available hands-free voice commands or the glove-friendly jog dial menu navigation. The headset has an integrated FM radio receiver with up to 10 station presets. The available intercom features add fun and convenience on group rides. This headset is equipped with universal intercom, so has the ability to connect with any headset via Bluetooth regardless of manufacturer to enable communication with up to 4 other riders, with a working distance of up to 5 miles under optimal conditions. The mesh intercom network gives this headset the ability to communicate with other riders without pairing, up to 16 riders in private mode and a virtually limitless number in public mode within 1 mile. To save you downtime, we've improved the charging rate by 30% compared to previous generation headsets. The 50C headset can be fully charged in only an hour and can provide up to 9 hours of mesh intercom talk time or 14 hours of Bluetooth intercom talk time on a full charge. Automatic firmware updates are delivered via the included Wi-Fi adapter. The 50C headset fits most Harley-Davidson full and 3/4 helmets designed to accept Bluetooth headset speakers. Each kit includes the headset, the mic, speakers, and all necessary installation hardware. This premium all-in-one headset was designed to enhance your touring experience. So, go ahead, take that epic trip.